Coming up with a great design can be a lot of work and can take some time. So why not be more efficient by getting as much out of each design as possible? Hi, it's Nani from Printful's marketing team. In this video, I'll show you how you can take your existing t-shirt designs from your file library and apply them to other products. Using your best-selling designs in other products will help you maximize your profit. Think of it this way. If someone's buying a t-shirt because they love the design, they're very likely to buy a matching phone case with the same cool design. It's also an opportunity to experiment with the designs that haven't been as successful as you'd like them to be. Maybe you just haven't yet found the right product for them. We'll look into adjusting t-shirt print files for posters, mugs, and phone cases. Designs for these products need the least amount of adjustments so you can expand your catalog with ease. So how do you repurpose your existing designs? When you upload a design file to use on your Printful products, it gets saved to your file library. You can use that design on any product from the Printful catalog. All you have to do is go to your product templates on your Printful dashboard, click on New Templates, pick your new product, and then choose your design from the file library. Then you can make your changes to your design using your generator. In some cases, it'll be better to adjust your design in the software you use to create it in, as that'll give you the most flexibility. Now let's take a look at what you need to pay attention to when using your t-shirt designs for posters, mugs, and phone cases specifically. Posters come in two finishes: glossy, which helps colors pop and works well with photographs, and matte, which is good with text or pastel colors. Photographs, typography, and designs with bold, eye-catching colors are the best for posters in general. The size and shape of posters vary, and so does the print area. Depending on your t-shirt design, you might be able to add a graphic to your poster without any need for adjustment, or you'll need to think about how to best fit your graphic in the available space. For this reason, it's helpful to keep your design elements separated in their own layers if you use design software like Photoshop, so that it's easier to move them around. And don't forget to make sure that your design is in high quality so you get the best print quality possible. Having a high definition graphic is essential if you want your t-shirt design on the larger posters. Your design will scale to fit the print area, and you have to make sure it doesn't lose quality. And a quick tip, adjust your design based on the poster sizes you want to add to your store. You can check the file size requirements and the file guidelines tab on each product page. There are different types of mugs available, so be sure to pick the one that fits your brand. For example, choose enamel mugs if you have an adventurous, outdoorsy brand, or choose mugs with color inside if you have a collection of playful designs. There are also magic mugs that let you keep your designs a surprise until a hot drink is poured into them. And if you prefer classics, go with the white glossy mugs that are available in two sizes. The main thing to keep in mind with mugs is that the print area is horizontal and not vertical, the way it is on t-shirts. That means if your design allows for it, you can wrap your art around the mug. If your design can't be easily flipped from vertical to horizontal, you can pick specific placements for your elements in your design. I suggest aligning them to either the left or the right side of the mug, or using our mock-up generator tool that lets you mirror your designs on both sides of the mug. You can even make a pattern using your design and cover the mug with it. Also keep in mind that while you can fill in the background with the color in our generator, this doesn't cover the entire mug. Simple text designs work great with mugs, but if you have a design with both an illustration and text on it, rearrange your elements to fit the horizontal layout. For example, I want this design to take up more space on the enamel mug. To do that, I'll open it up in Photoshop and move the layers containing these two leaves to the sides of the strawberry. After that, I'll save the files as a PNG and drag it into the file library. Then I can just place it on my mug and mirror the design so it shows up on both sides of the mug. While t-shirts have a print area with no obstructions, phone cases are a little more complicated. Phone cases are more narrow and differ in size depending on your phone model, and you also have to account for camera cutouts, which differ from phone to phone. Make sure that important parts of your design aren't located where the camera cutout is. If you have a design with the background filled in, you might have to resize it to fit the phone case. If you've kept the background as a separate layer in your original design file, disabling your background makes it easier to adapt your design to fit the phone print area. You can also add some elements to it to fill out the print area if your design calls for it. For this design, I'll open it up in Photoshop and disable the background fill. That leaves me with a design that's easier to position for the print area. If you have trouble figuring out where to place your design elements, you can download a print file template for any product in the product info page under the Print File Templates tab. Note that the cases are transparent, so if you leave the background empty, the case will be see-through. Keep this in mind when thinking about how to best adjust your design. Leaving the background empty can be done well with the liquid glitter cases, where you can see the glitter shining through the transparent areas on the case. Once your products are designed, click Continue and then save the product template. Now you can use your templates to order for yourself or add products to your store. I hope this video will help you repurpose your best-selling designs so you can put them out there for everyone to see. How have you diversified your product catalog? Let us know in the comments below.